Assalamu alaikum children. I hope you're fine. I'm fine too. Look over here. Look at what we have got over here. Wow. Today we are going to do a very interesting activity and it is related to our sound letters. Let's go to the topic first. Let's see what is written over here. It is written over here alphabet and vocabulary. Alphabet and vocabulary. Alphabet तो ये हो गए, ठीक है ना. वोकेबलरी क्या होती है? वोकेबलरी इज समथिंग कि इससे क्या क्या हमारे पास एक ट्रेजर बनता है, ट्रेजर बॉक्स बनता है वर्ड्स का. इससे क्या क्या बनता है, जैसे एरोप्लेन, ठीक है ना, एरो और एप्पल. These are the vocabulary, the words you got with the alphabet letters. So look at over here, we have got 3 pictures over here and we have got 2 options over here. And now we are going to see which these 3 pictures belongs to which letter. Okay, let's see what is the first picture over here, which we can see over here. It's, what is this? Yes, it's a flag. Flag. What is it? Fan. Fan. And what is this? Frog. Frog. What sound you can hear जब आप ये sound, जब ये बोलते हैं flag, तो first sound आपके क्या आपको सुनाई देता है? Flag, fan, frog. This is the sound you hear. यही sound आता है ना आपको. So let's see which sound belongs to. ठीक है, कौन सा लेटर जिसका sound है? I hope कि आपको पता होगा. I know you are very sharp. Okay, let's see. Let's try this one. L, flag. L, fan. L, frog. Does they match? Because the sound of this is L. No, that definitely doesn't match. What about this letter? What letter is it? This is F. What is it? F. Let's go with it. And I know you know the sound of letter F. Let's go and start. F, flag. F, fan. F, frog. So which letter belongs to these vocabulary? Yes, this is the right word which belongs to this. This is the right letter which belongs to these pictures vocabulary, because their sounds matches this letter F. So we're going to the next pictures. Okay, wow, what we have got over here, what kind of flashcards we have got over here. And there's a 2 letters over here. Now let's see what are these pictures. Banana, balloon, butterfly, book. What sound is coming out? Banana, balloon, butterfly, book. What is the sound? Yes, B. B. You can hear the sound. Now let's find out which letter belongs to this vocabulary. There are 2 words over here. What letter is this? Who can tell me? Is this D or B? Yes, this is D, because there is a right curve over here. See? See, there is a right curve. C की तरह बना हुआ है. Okay, then it goes up, then it goes come down, and it's a loop over here. But with this, there is a standing line again. Then we make a left curve. So let's try with this. D da banana, D da balloon, D da butterfly, D da book. Does they match the same? No, they doesn't sounds the same, because the sound of the letter D is D. Let's try this letter. What letter is it? Yes, this is letter B. Let's start. And can someone tell me what's the sound of the letter B? B. Yes, let's try with this. B, B, banana. B, B, balloon. B, B, butterfly. book. So this is the right alphabet which belongs to this vocabulary. B, not D, B, ba. Let's go on the next exercise. Okay, now these are the next vocabulary I have got and the next letters I have got. Now let's see what is it. It's a monkey, mushroom, mango, moon, monkey, mushroom, mango, moon. What's the sound is it? So which letter has the sound of let's try with it. Okay, there are two letters over here. Let's try with this first letter. Who can tell me what letter is it? Yes, this is R. Let's try with this. Can someone tell me what's the sound of this letter? Oh, we'll go with that, and when we'll match, we'll know what's the sound. I know, definitely you know. R, R, monkey, R, R, mushroom, R, R, mango, R, R, moon. Does this sound the same? Does they match the sound? No, definitely that doesn't match. Let's try this letter. Which letter is it? M. What is it? M. Let's start with this. M. Monkey. M. Mushroom. M. Mango. M. Moon. So you can see that this letter M sounds the same like these vocabulary words have. So this is the right letter which belongs to these vocabulary. I hope you have understood it well. Go to the Google class. There's the same exercises over there. Go and do it. Okay, and do make the sounds also. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.